Hey, what's up guys? Ant here, and today let's go ahead and create that out of focus text effect in Photoshop. Now, the first thing we have to do is open up Photoshop, of course, and pull up some layers. All right, we have our background and our text. You can use any text you like. We want to start with this blue color here. First line of business, let's go ahead and click on our text layer. Head up to filter and convert for smart filters. Okay, now what we'll do is double click on our focus layer here and let's add a gradient overlay. Now that looks good. Let's click on gradient overlay. Let's dial in a little bit, see what we have. Okay, so this is from our green presets, which is green_27. Hit OK there. Now the blending mode is normal. Opacity is 100%. The style is linear. The angle is 90 degrees and the scale is 114. And the method is perceptual. Hit OK. That looks good. Now what we'll do is let's go ahead and head on over to edit and then go down to transform and let's choose warp. The idea here is to make it wavy. Okay, so let's grab this little handle right here and let's pull up just a little bit. Maybe like so. I think that'll work. Grab this bottom handle toward the left. Okay, that will work. Pull up the top just a little bit more. Apply that. Okay. Now let's make a copy here. Control J. That makes a copy. And what we'll do with the copy here is let's head on up to Filter, Blur, and let's choose Motion Blur. All right. So it looks like this is dialed in. I did this previously in 992. Looks good. For the pixels, hit OK. Now what we'll need to do is we need to make our copy behind our original. So we'll just drop this down like so. Okay, now what we'll do is let's grab our original focus and let's put a layer mask on that like so. Hit G, pull up our gradient tool here and let's just drag up. Hit shift if you want to keep it straight. Put down like so. Let's see what we've done. Not bad at all. That's it. That's all we have to do. So at this point, we're golden. However, if we want to spice it up a little bit or get fancy, we can add a background. Change the color of the background here. Let's go down to our adjustment layers. Click on solid color. Let's make this any color we'd like. I think that right there, that kind of darkish blue blends well. And of course you could take this and change this to any color you'd like in the future. I believe this particular design would look good on the t-shirt. T-shirt, anyone? Let me know. Okay, there we have it. I think that'll do it for this one. Now, this is one of the quickest and easiest ways to make an out of focus text effect in Photoshop. Until next time, like always, I will see you in the next video. I really will.